To get started with Authorize Accept.js, first understand that it is a JavaScript library that enables you to accept payments from your website without exposing sensitive payment information to your server. The key concept here is tokenization, where payment data is replaced with a token that can be used for future transactions, reducing the risk of storing and handling sensitive payment information. To implement Authorize Accept.js, you need to create a payment form on your website, load the Accept.js library, and then use it to generate a payment token. This token can then be sent to your server to complete the payment transaction. A practical example of how this works is when a customer enters their payment information on your website. Accept.js generates a payment token that is returned to your server. Your server can then use this token to charge the customer's card without actually handling the sensitive payment information. Best practices for using Authorize Accept.js include ensuring that your website is using HTTPS to encrypt the payment data, and that you are handling errors and exceptions properly. You should also make sure that you are complying with all relevant payment card industry security standards. In terms of benefits, using Authorize Accept.js can help to reduce your PCI compliance scope, as sensitive payment information is not stored or handled by your server. It can also help to improve the security and integrity of your payment transactions, reducing the risk of data breaches and other security threats. To get the most out of Authorize Accept.js, it is recommended that you consult the official documentation and API reference, and that you test your implementation thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. By following these tips and best practices, you can use Authorize Accept.js to provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers.